Crypto trading or arbitrage trading, which of them is more profitable and which one should you stick to in 2026? So in this video, I'll breaking down both crypto trading and arbitrage trading to show you which one is more profitable this year 2026 and which one you should focus your energy more on to be profitable before the year runs out. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share this video to those that might be interested in them, and let's dive right in. So first things first, I'll be breaking this video into three parts. So I'll be talking about the technicality of both, I'll be talking about the tools needed, and then finally the profitability. So watch this video to the end to find out the one that is more profitable. So let's first of all start with crypto trading. So based on technicality, crypto trading takes the car, bro, because it's more technical than arbitrage trading. For crypto trading, you have to have the knowledge of crypto trading, right? You have to have fundamental analysis, the knowledge of fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Without two of them, you can't do anything at this point, right? So you need two of them to become profitable, and learning this skill takes months of practice. You have to practice because the market keeps on changing as time goes on. Now for arbitrage trading, the technicality is close to minimum because you don't need all this analysis, you don't need to learn technical analysis, you don't need to learn fundamental analysis, you don't need to back text or anything, right? You just find the price differences and you exploit and make money ASAP. Unlike crypto, whereby you do all those analysis and you still enter the trade and still wait. Like arbitrage trading, if you see the opportunity, you enter that trade and you cash out ASAP, and that's just the difference. So for the technicality between crypto and arbitrage trading, arbitrage takes one. So arbitrage is leading 1-0. So let's head over to the next point. So for number two, we'll be talking about tools needed. Now in arbitrage trading, you need the tools to find those price exploitations. Then also you need to use your exchange. For crypto trading, you need to have trading view where you do analysis, and also you need an exchange. So first let's go to the trading view and see how the tool is, right? So I should also mention that I'm a crypto trader, right? I've been trading since 2019. That's like 7 years or 6 years right now, and I've been doing my arbitrage trading since 2020. So I've been into this too, and I know what I'm saying when I say I know what I'm saying, right? So I have to trust that I know what I'm saying, bro. So this is a trading view for trading. If you are a trader, you must have a trading view account. So let's just view the interface and how it looks like, right? So here you have to do the analysis. Like I said in the first one, you have to do the analysis. Then over here you will see your projects that you are looking towards on exploiting. So you have to add them to your wish list so you can exploit them. Now the interface, if you don't know anything about trading, you can't understand the interface, right? Now there are a lot of things going on at once. You can see this trade went and hit my TP actually, but then if you are not a seasoned trader, you won't even understand what is going on in this chart, right? You have to learn it. You have to learn the chart. You have to learn this platform, this interface. First of all, learn about the tools, learn about all this stuff, learn about the candlesticks. Then all these tools here, you just have to know about them, right? What it works or what it does. Then before you even go into doing the analysis. So for this part, the tools, I think for crypto, it's a bit complicated. It's not as easy as you would want or wish for. So you have to learn it as a full-time skill. So that's mentioned for if you want to learn a full-time skill, you have to go through the trading route. Now let's go and see how the the tool for arbitrage trading is. So there are a lot of tools for arbitrage trading. You can see some of them. Let's just open one, right? Let me open this one. So this is one of the tools for arbitrage trading. You can see the interface is very simple, but then it needs subscription as well. So I should mention this first of all. You need to subscribe to see more, but this is the free part. There are free parts. So for arbitrage trading, you have a lot of platforms you can use to find those price exploitations. Now you can as well do it on CMC, that's coin market cap, by yourself, but it takes a lot of time. if you don't want to use these apps that they are creating these days. So here the interface is just simple. You just see the exchange you buy from and the exchange you will sell from. They will show you the project, they will show you last verified time of that current price, then you see the percentage of that project, whether you want to go ahead or not. So for this, the interface for arbitrage trading is very simple, minimal, and straight to the point. The most uneducated person can see this and flow with it. So if you are looking to learn a skill, arbitrage trading is not for you. Arbitrage trading is just capital, knowledge, and execution. So that's basically it. So if you just want a simple minimal one, then arbitrage is for you. Now for the ranking, for this particular one, the interface, the exchange, the platform, whatever, arbitrage is simple for those that want to make quick buck. For trading view, if you want to go into a full-time skill, crypto trading is for you. That's the trading view part. So I'll give this one because it depends on individual differences and what you're looking for in the crypto market. For an arbitrage trader, if you want to be just an arbitrage trader, you won't know any technical, you won't know any fundamental, you won't know any stuff about the crypto market. But if you are going to the crypto trading route, you'll be more experienced in arbitrage itself, right? Because you're buying coin low, that is something with crypto, you're buying low and selling high. So crypto trading takes one on this number two, and arbitrage trading takes one on this number two. So yeah, let's head over to the last one, profitability. So for the last part and the most interesting part, the profitability on the two, right? Now let's start with crypto trading. I will use this example because it's for the average person. So for crypto trading, I can make money with this amount in this wallet. So this is my exchange, this is GetIO, right? This is GetIO. So I can make money if I'm trading with this, unless I'm using futures, I'm trading futures, but you know it's more risky. So if I want to be a conservative trader, I can make money with this amount. For instance, normally when I trade for 10%, right? And I put my risk management to at least 5 to 3%, 3 to 5% if I want to put my stop loss. Now, for that 10% in this capital that is here, I'll be getting like 0.6 cents, 60 cents. That's basically nothing unless I have capital. 10% of $100 is $10, and I can make that very easily if I'm trading crypto. With my trading strategy, right, I can make that easily if I'm with $100. I can make 10%, and that 10% will be reasonable because it's $10. But with $6, I can make money from crypto trading, no matter what. For arbitrage trading, with $6 today, I can make $50 with it because the amount of time I do them counts. The price corrects normally. If you are doing arbitrage, you can see the price will correct over time, even within minutes. But if you find an opportunity that's very good before the exchange corrects that price, you can do it 5 to 10 times. With this small capital, I will make him back 100%, 80%, and I will get my capital back. Remember, because arbitrage trading, you do it multiple times, and it doesn't limit to capital alone. I can use $1 to do arbitrage, $2, $10, $100, $1,000, depending on the one I'm doing. In my channel, you can see I have a video for $1,000 capital and arbitrage. I have a video for $1 capital for arbitrage. In the $1 video, I even made over $5 from that $1. So you can see with arbitrage trading, the capital is more small and the profit is higher. So if I want to rank this crypto or arbitrage, you guys should help me rank in the comment section. Which do you think is more profitable? Is it crypto trading that you need more capital to do, but the return is actually substantial, or arbitrage trading that you need more small capital to do, but the profit margin is very high, and in a short while you get your capital and profit back? So drop in the comment section, help me answer this question so we figure it out together, right? I will reply every comment in the comment section. So so far, if you have watched the video to this point and you like what you saw, kindly subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification to get updates on my video, join the Telegram channel where I'll be dropping updates soon, and yeah, share this video to those that might be interested in them. Remember, that's how we grow. Let's go.